Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going through hours of information from the XRP Ledger automated market maker and squeezing that into a short form video, going through the past of the XRP Ledger, the current situation with the automated market maker, and the future of how massive this is going to be. Because this launch was something that was hyped about for years, and when it finally arrived, everyone stopped talking about it. So let's go into that today. Now, if you enjoyed the XRP videos, make sure you leave a like down below as it lets me know to make more. And with that said, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so before we go into the video, I'm going to first promote the Decent Hardware Cold Wallet. Now, if you already hold one or know about the wallet already, be sure to go to the timestamps down below to skip ahead. But I always recommend this wallet to new viewers or people in crypto, new to crypto, because it's so easy to use. First, biometric authentication. You don't have to remember a long code. I've noticed also in the cold wallets I've had, there's a tiny screen, there's so many buttons, there's only 4 buttons with OLED display. And also in terms of tokens being supported, with the video being about the XRP Ledger, the trust sign tokens are always supported on Decent. The one thing you don't want to do is buy a cold wallet and find out your favorite tokens are not supported. And one of the most important things when it comes to storing your cryptocurrency is security. And out of my years of having a decent hardware wallet, I've personally never had any problems and never seen any big scandals happen with compromisation of security compared to other cold wallets. That is the most important thing of all, and the main reason I'm promoting the wallet. Now, if you're from the UK, US, EU, or Japan, you get free shipping and 50% off with the links down below in the description. Go and check them out. Now on to the history of the XRP Ledger, because over the past decade, the XRP Ledger has matured into one of the most robust layer 1 blockchains out there. So 600 plus nodes, unique apps and exchanges built, over 5 million XRP wallets, 120 plus proof of association validators, and 2.8 billion transactions processed. And the infrastructure is massive with wallets, analytics, dexes, marketplace, gaming, and core ledger development, and it brought us up to the AMM launch. Now, why should you care? Because it's the potential for passive income through cryptocurrency, becoming a liquidity provider, earning a portion of the trading fees in a pool like XRP, USD. We will get more into this later on in the video. And a DEX integrated AMM not only enhances liquidity, but enables liquidity opportunities. And the AMM has aggregated liquidity for better capital efficiency and usability. So 24/7 on-chain order books, transactions settled in 2 to 5 seconds, and XRP being used as a bridge currency, and also continuous auction mechanism, reducing permanent loss for arbitrageurs. And on the AMM pool, there are 2 sides of liquidity: XRP, USD in this example, where XRP can be bought and sold at any time so people can trade whenever they want. And it's not just for trading, but also providing liquidity. And so the equivalent of lending an asset. So you own a share of the AMM pool and benefit from any trades that happen. So turning volatility into yield. And so now that we've went over the past of the XRP Ledger, the situation with the AMM launch, now let's go into the current returns. But first, a few questions I'm seeing. So is there a threshold to enter the AMM? No, there is not, compared to traditional financial systems where there is no barrier of entry. Anyone can enter the AMMs, but with that takes research to understand the risks involved. Secondly, are the returns from the AMM guaranteed? Of course, they're not. You're subject to market conditions, volatility, and permanent loss, which you need to research. And how do you choose the right AMM? Well, first you have to do research, the track record of that specific AMM, how much liquidity there is in a pool, the trading fee, and find out what lucrative investments, what returns other people are getting in the actual market. So here's the returns. On the higher end, you can see core XRP at around 18%, and on the lower end, XRP USD around 6%, mainly because that's a stable pair. And these returns are okay, but the big reason I'm not entering the pools of massive amounts of money is mainly because I believe we're still in a bull market. And when it comes back to impermanent loss and opportunity loss, for example, XRP, I still believe this coin can 2, 3, 4x and beyond, and that's going to outweigh the returns I would get currently throughout 2024 and potentially 2025 with the AMM. A big reason why also people say to put funds towards a pool that is not intended for holding, only intended for being a liquidity provider. Also, the AMM is just too early for me. There's not enough volume, right? We've seen this with Uniswap. It took whiles to take off. The total value lot currently is around 12.2 million. It's just too early. I'm waiting for the bear market to then take full use of the AMM. And large scale adoption is yet to come because it's going to be very easy to onboard millions, potentially billions to the AMM for its ease of use because people do not understand bid and ask. They only know buy and sell with a magic pool of liquidity, no order book. That is why the AMM is so useful. Hopefully, also by that point as well, the Ripple stablecoin should be on the XRP ledger, as currently it is in private beta mode on the XRP ledger. Now, in my opinion, is to stay in the bull market, do your research, and be ready for when the AMM is in its perfect state with high returns and more value locked. In the meantime, go on to learnxrpledger.org, learn about AMM's trust line, stablecoins, and much, much more. But if you made it as far in the video, thank you very much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.